ever find yourself overwhelmed by the mountain of academic tasks, assignments, and the never-ending question of how to balance it all? Well, worry no more. Because today we're going to explore the world of student resources that are designed to make your academic journey a little less daunting. Every student's journey is unique, but one common thread ties us all together: the need for support, guidance, and tools to make the most of our educational experience. This is where student resources come in, an umbrella term for a wide range of services, tools, and platforms that are designed to enhance your learning experience. Think of student resources as your personal academic toolbox. It's filled with different tools, each serving a unique purpose. For instance, academic counseling services can help you plan your course load, manage your time, and even deal with stress and anxiety. Next, we have academic resources. These often include libraries, online databases, writing centers, and tutorial services. Libraries aren't just for borrowing books anymore. They've evolved into digital resource centers, offering access to a wealth of information at your fingertips. Online databases give you access to academic journals, research papers, and even historical archives to aid your research. Writing centers and tutorial services, on the other hand, can provide personalized assistance to improve your writing skills and understand complex concepts. Then there's the realm of financial resources. Scholarships, grants, work-study programs, and financial aid offices fall under this category. These resources aim to make education affordable and accessible to everyone. They can provide monetary support, help you find part-time jobs on campus, or assist in managing your finances. And let's not forget the career resources. These provide guidance for your life after school, offering career counseling, job placement services, and internships. They can help you explore potential career paths, sharpen your interview skills, and even connect you with potential employers. Now you might wonder, why are these resources important? Well, they're designed to help you succeed. They provide support, reduce stress, and improve academic performance. They can help you navigate the complexities of student life, allowing you to focus more on your studies and personal growth. Moreover, student resources are beneficial because they foster a sense of community. By using these resources, you engage with other students, faculty, and staff, creating a supportive and inclusive educational environment. In summary, student resources are not just tools but lifelines to help you navigate your academic journey. They provide you with academic, financial, and career support, making your educational experience smoother and more enriching. So remember to utilize these resources because they're there to help you succeed. After all, a toolbox is only as good as the person who uses it. So here's to a successful academic journey made easier with student resources.